This is the M7 from Keychron. Now, here's the thing. I do like having a bigger mouse, but the problem with that is you tend to get very heavy mice when you decide to get a bigger mouse. That's where this guy kind of saves the day, coming in at only 63 grams. With a 70-hour battery life, the controller is no longer an app. It's actually a web-based application, which I prefer. No more adding bloat to your computer. And up to 26,000 DPI. Beautiful, high-quality braided cable. And they truthfully give you every way to connect this thing. With your 3 additional side buttons, great texture on the wheel, and your DPI adjustment is on the bottom instead of accidentally misclicking it on the top like so many other mice. And you can adjust the refresh rate on the bottom to up it all the way up to a 1000 hertz polling rate. Now they did just drop the cost on this, but I can't tell you how long they're gonna leave that cost at the lower rate. So I'm gonna link this in the bottom left so you can pick it up now before that price does go up. The link for the M7 is in the bottom left.